And welcome back. This is going to be a very quick video, I hope, on just how to take a sheet set. We've already gone through a little introduction to Bluebeam in the studio sessions and how to create those. The last video was how to replace some sheets. So now that you've got those new sheet sets ready and on your local hard drive, or maybe it's on a network drive, you really want to replace the set that's actually up in the cloud. So let's go really quickly and see how to do that. I have zero underscore combined architectural here. As you can see, this is actually the new set, 50% construction documents, and I'm going to replace that with my combined zero underscore combined architectural, which is the one that's in the cloud right now, and as you can see when I open it up, is my old set. Really easy. You can tell this is the one in the cloud because it's got your little studio house symbol here. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. I will notice that all of my teammates are out of that. I generally like to do this late at night or over lunch, sometime where I know nobody's going to be in it. Give everybody the warning to close out, because it will close them out if they're in the middle of something, marking stuff up. Because it's cloud-based, it'll save like up to the second, but people tend to get freaked out when stuff starts disappearing on them. So just give your teammates a heads up or a little bit of a warning. But it's, oops, don't open it. It's as simple as right-clicking and delete, because I want to get rid of this. Are you sure that you want to permanently delete this? In this case, yes, I am. Do you want to save a local copy? Again, because computer things happen, I like to save them, and I will save this as today's date. I will also generally put markup or something like that so that I know, but in this case I forgot. You can see that now it is a local copy. It doesn't have that little symbol in front of it, and this is really just for archiving purposes. I've got my new combined architectural that we just went through in the last video, 50% construction document set, and I upload this exactly the same way that we did in the first video. Go to File, go to Combine Architectural, and that's it. It is now uploaded. You can see it is currently uploading, making its way all the way through, and once it is done, everybody has the ability to see it. Everybody's working with the most up-to-date drawings in the drawing set. It's a process that over time for this has taken maybe, I don't know, 15-20 minutes to do. So it is something that can be done pretty quickly. So as you start changing drawing sets out, it's something that really, I think, is worthwhile doing, and the more people on your team that can do it, obviously the better. So this has been great, and I hope that this has been helpful for you. And that's it. So thank you again for your time, and if there are any questions, please let me know.